laying here making TikToks for the past hour instead of doing anything productive, which is super not cute of me. I am so tired. It's now 3. I think I'm gonna edit my video a little bit more now. I'm just so tired. So unproductive today. Being unproductive feels so bad to me. Like, I don't think it's necessarily healthy to fill every possible minute with doing something productive. Like I've just laid in my bed and watched movies and YouTube all day. I've been drinking this. This one is lemon, cayenne, and ginger. Like, I don't mind the taste. If I don't smell it, it tastes fine. I'm having a freak out. So my boyfriend's gonna be here in like 10 minutes and we're going to dinner with his family for his birthday. And I'm super not gonna lie, I was planning on giving him his birthday gift today, even though his real birthday is tomorrow. But I don't have all of it because I didn't plan well, so I'm gonna get it tomorrow morning and give it to him tomorrow when we hang out. I got him a yellow Gatorade, a pack of Nike socks. He wears Nike socks every day. These 2 things, which this is the ordinary hyaluronic acid and a face wash. Here's the card I made him. Here's my nails. I got them done. I love them. This is just clear acrylic with like 2 coats, I think, of bubble bath. I love my long nails. I love them when they're longer. And they're just so simple. I feel like they go with everything. They're not too bright. And just because of the color, it hides growth a little bit. We are getting tacos. Here's my outfit. It's so hot where I live. It's so hot. We are headed back to the city. Jordan. What?
Actually, you can at least hold the door.
I can hold the door. Okay, now we're gonna head to the church for the wedding. We're leaving this hotel. Oh, the lighting in here is terrible. Okay, welcome to the vlog.
First.
We bought these yesterday.
Oh, that guy's kind of a baddie.
No, he's
We bought these yesterday.
He's talking to another female.
Unfortunately, we already ate half the bag.
We're back.
Oh, I got a white one.
Let me see.
Fire.
Should I eat the pink one or the white one?
The white one's
I got a
tasty
purple
flavor.
one. Those are like Christian things.
What do we rate it? 1 out of 10?
10.
10?
I don't know what that
Superman just appeared. Probably 8 out of 10.
I would say 10.
I'm giving it like a 6.
So-
I spent $10 and I ate like the entire thing.
Wait, one thing. So, our mission in this travel is to get Jordan's something a day.
Yes.
I'll bring her a Spanish boy.
Yeah.
No, we won't.
She just walked in, bro. Walk into the train. I saw him walk out of like his dressing room.
How you doing?
Is it too hot for you, Carly? No, she's scared of the mister. Little Carly, come in the video.
Yay.
Yes.
Another full day. There you go. Vloggy.
Yes.
Vloggy.
On the vlog.
There we go. Where do you want me to go?
Just around.
Not really.
Oh.
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 There we go.
Take a right. The road. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you want to jump.
I don't. We made it to Target. Camera storage. My SD card storage on this. If you hear the Frozen soundtrack in the background, no you don't. First, we have Pampelisse in this blue color. Lila's doing her Duolingo. And 2 t-shirts. And that's what you're gonna need for this craft. Blue tops. So what? Sandwich. Jinx again! Does it eat? I think it's stuffed. Yeah, it's stuffed. You guys! My father was very worried about
Papa
us getting
Smurf
paid on
is
the
making
floor.
us stand in a box.
Like get Smurfified. Okay, they were $2 things. Oh, it's cute! Wait, that's what now? Is it all mine? Wait, it's so cute.
You deserve 5 stars.
Bro, yours didn't either.
Mine did, and that's why you voted 5 stars.
Please, you're so
Yeah, I know you did.
I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
But not Danny saw it.
You guys see that?
Hold on.
I kind of captured. Yes.
Yeah, she's been out. You should like introduce it to the vlog. What do we?
We are here in second part cooking in this video. 2 days ago it was the paella and now we're making tortilla de patatas. Spanish recipe from grandmother Violeta. Potatoes in onion. Put like 2 fingers of oil in a pan. Just put the potatoes and the onion inside. Medium low power in the fire because if not it's going to burn and we don't want anything burned. Yeah, you see, you just like
I am coming for Gordon Ramsay.
5x
shop.
for a tortilla, and then you mix everything. You put a little bit more oil in the pan and just flip it.
A vlog.
How many has it? I don't know.
You can
No
rate it after.
paparazzi.
Okay, wait.
Here, wait, I got it.
Wait. But oh, I think this is. There we go. There we go. Really bad or really good? Oh my god.
Oh, but yay!
There. It's going to taste good.
Now we're gonna get ice cream. I haven't driven in like a month. And I'm probably still good at this.